Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to remove discover people on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, let me just open up the Instagram account. Alright, here you go. And then from here, you need to tap on the profile icon on the bottom right side corner. So tap on the profile icon, and then as you can see, we got the discover people right in front of yours. So it is very simple to remove the discover people, but you cannot, definitely you cannot remove the discover people for lifetime. Alright, how you can remove the discover people? Just tap on this icon, this icon right over here, just tap on that and the discover people will be removed. So that is very simple, guys. That's how you can simply remove the discover people on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works for you or not. And I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Peace out.